Welcome back to Tech channel again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on transparency effect. So without further delay, let's get started in showing you how to turn on transparency effect. First and foremost, just click on your start and search for settings. Right, so as we have settings here, just click on it to open. Right, these settings is just for the PC, so you just have to go inside the settings. Now inside the settings, you go to personalization. We have personalization here, and then under personalization, scroll down and you have to see something like colors. All right, colors is at the top, so click on colors. Right, so now once you have colors here, so we have this here, transparency effect. Right, so just turn it on. Right, and that is just how easy and simple it is to turn on transparency effect. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Next on your screen is a video showing you how to hide your taskbar.